केवल किरण नहीं, पूरा के पूरा सूरज दिल्ली में उतर आया है। ये केवल किरण नहीं है।
अगर भारत का इतिहास पक्का बदलना है तो दिल्ली पीछे नहीं रह सकती।
A woman of strength and substance.
मैं आपके पास जीत के आऊंगी, सरकार बने पे आऊंगी।
She exuberates courage, compassion and determination.
ये आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी ये मेरी पॉकेट में है। ये देखिए, ये जेब में।
Kiran Bedi takes center stage as the Bharatiya Janata Party's chief ministerial candidate in the national capital.
I didn't expect this kind of new politics and new choices of people who keep saying no to politics, keep even commenting on them harshly, and yet being chosen by the same people.
आज किरण जी ने भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सदस्यता ग्रहण करी है।
It has been a roller coaster ride for Kiran Bedi, from the day she was inducted in the party to the day she was announced the CM face of the BJP. Kiran Bedi filed her nomination papers for the upcoming Delhi State Assembly elections from the Krishnanagar constituency in East Delhi. With party veterans by her side, her first ever roadshow was filled with colour and fervour.
In a matter of a couple of days, her life turned upside down. From being the first woman IPS officer of the country to an anti-corruption crusader, and now one of the biggest names in the national capital's political fraternity, Dr. Kiran Bedi. We get an exclusive access to know what a day in the life of Dr. Kiran Bedi looks like.
प्रार्थना करते हुए मैं अपना दिन शुरू कर रही हूँ पंक्चुअलिटी से, ताकि मेरी सारे दिन के अपॉइंटमेंट्स लेट ना हो।
केजरीवाल जी आपके साथ बहस करने के
बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
तैयार हो गए हैं बहस करने के लिए, आप बहस करेंगे उनके साथ?
आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, शुक्रिया।
Kiran Bedi has a lot to prove and a lot more to apprehend. The first thing on her agenda is a campaign trail through the bylanes of Krishnanagar.
It's 7 in the morning. Dr. Kiran Bedi has already started her day. Ma'am, has it finally sunk in that you are such a big name in the national capital's political fraternity just in a matter of a couple of days?
It hasn't. Listen, I'm not in the news for the first time.
Right.
I was on the sports page from the age of 14. I only shifted to the public face, let's say, of the police from the age of 24. From the age of 14 till the age of 23, 24, I stayed on the sports page. I was then Kiran Peshawariya. Now I'm Kiran Bedi as well. So therefore, what you're talking about is something which has been a part of my life.
From being an Amritsar girl, from someone who was born and brought up in Amritsar, moving to the national capital for your studies, and now clearly a name in the national capital. How has your journey been from a child who used to come to the national capital to play tennis, to take part in tournaments, and now you are here, you have been in this city for the longest time ever, worked here, and now all set to take charge of the city as well?
Perhaps it was destined to be my Karam Bhumi, because when we got the cadres, I didn't get Punjab cadre. I belong to Punjab. I wasn't allocated Punjab cadre. I was given Delhi, Union Territories. That's why I went to Goa. That's why I went to Mizoram. That's why I went to Chandigarh. So I would say perhaps Delhi was to be my Karam Bhumi, not by design. Not by design, nothing by design. I didn't get the cadre by design. I didn't get any posting by design. I never asked for a posting. I've asked only for God's blessings. I've never asked anything for myself. That's why I was also sent to Tihar jail.
Right, and that was clearly a very tough role that you had to perform there at Tihar jail. In fact, you did a lot of reforms in the jail as far as how the culprits who were there, you changed how the outlook should be, the kind of work that they should do in Tihar jail. That was something that you brought in for the very first time.
Yes, it happened. It happened.
it has happened. And also, ma'am, we have known you as a person who's very structured. You have a very particular way of life. You get up in the morning, you have your meditation, you are a book reader. How do you start your day? How is the day of Dr. Kiran Bedi? How does it look like?
Everything by choice. Everything by choice, and everything with willingness, and everything with joy. Everything with a sense of giving. And I love giving.
Have you enjoyed this journey where you were, where you have traveled, and now where you are and where you're probably going to be?
I'm totally in it by choice because I know what the city needs. I've given the city, and the city's given me 40 years of my life. When I worked in traffic with fewer policemen, it was the Delhi people who stood up with me and said, "We with you." And they cooperated, they collaborated, they resourced the city. Wherever I was short of resources, people were always with me as citizen wardens, as home guards, as civil defense, as resident welfare associations, as women peace committees, everywhere, youth wings. I've enjoyed huge amount of love from the city of Delhi, huge. I didn't know where it was taking me, how far, in what different garments, I didn't know, what different garbs. All I can say is, it's amazingly how nature prepares you and changes your thoughts and evolves it. You keep saying no, 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 and you then say yes, it's possible.
Could you foresee that you would be where you are today at this point of time when you were just a girl who came from Amritsar to study here and then becoming the first woman IPS officer, carrying on to become an anti-corruption crusader, and now a politician, the BJP CM face for the national capital?
I didn't expect this kind of new politics and new choices of people who keep saying no to politics, keep even commenting on them harshly, and yet being chosen by the same people. I didn't expect new politics. I didn't expect a party or individuals who would say, "You're welcome." This is called the dawn of new politics in India, and that's what heartens me completely.
Considered a BJP-RSS stronghold, Krishnanagar has been Dr. Harshvardhan's bastion for the past 20 years.
The first pit stop for Dr. Kiran Bedi is the residence of Dr. Harshvardhan. In fact, both of them together now will be travelling to their Krishnanagar constituency. Dr. Harshvardhan, who's been a 5-time MLA from there, and now Dr. Kiran Bedi taking his support to contest from this very seat. Good morning, sir.
Good morning. आप अपने दे रहे थे ना इसलिए मैंने.
Ma'am, I'll be behind you.
As she trails through the nooks and corners of Krishnanagar, Kiran Bedi is all set to make her debut in the world of politics.
Ma'am, you started your groundwork here at your constituency. Seems not only the BJP workers are giving you accolades, now people from other political parties are also praising you. Shanti Bhushan also saying that the BJP has had a master stroke by having you as a CM figure.
I'm grateful to him. I've heard about it. I've not seen it because I've been on the round. So television access is not possible right now. But if he said it, great respect for him. I'm about to thank him. I'll thank him personally as well.
Does it come as a relief? Because for the past couple of days, you've just been seeing the opposition parties lashing at you, but now a person who is standing against you, he coming and praising you.
Law of nature works. Law of nature works. And law of nature works for the right intention, for right commitment. I think law of nature works. So I look forward to that.
Just my last question. You seem to have had the kind of persona that you're having. Seems like the Bhushan family is divided on it. While Shanti Bhushan is praising you, Prashant Bhushan says that he does not really agree with what his father has said.
But that's between the family. Let's leave it at that.
अच्छा जी. आपकी मनोकामना पूरी होगी. मेरी जब कामना.
मैं आपके पास जीत के आऊंगी.
राजी रहो.
सरकार बने पे आऊंगी.
Ma'am, if we go back in time, your life as a first woman IPS officer, the transition between the first woman IPS officer to a political leader, how has that transition been for you?
The way I live my life now, I lived it as a student. In my life, there's been no wastage of time. It's all been investment. It's been as either as a tennis player, there's no holiday. You got to do your fitness every day if you want to be a champion. Then entering the police, there's no holiday because police is an emergency service. You got to be on call. So, for me, intensive education with sports because I was an academic scholarship holder as well. I broke the record of the University of Punjab where I became the first student to have 2 scholarships, academics and sports. So what I'm saying is that my life has been one of intensive investment of the day. I live in here and now. I don't live in yesterday. I don't live tomorrow. My nature is to give the day the best. And the more it demands, the more I give. That's my nature.
Politically speaking, now you have the people who you had worked with as anti-corruption crusader, them being in the opposition right in front of you, them in fact making political jibe at you. How have you prepared yourself to take this up and carry forward with the mission, the issue-based politics that you're talking about?
Well, last almost a year, no, last from May onwards, India started to change. I became a part of its aspiration because I saw my country changing. I saw a better future. Prior to May, I wasn't sure whether whether India would be livable for persons like us and many of us. So I was just waiting for May. It's either here or not here. Because I was getting academic options to go and teach in the overseas universities. If I was not going to be of value to this country and I'm going to sulk here, means sulk in the sense I'm not looking for positions. If it's every day a negative program there's nothing called hope. I would have probably said, all right, let me revive hope elsewhere. So this is what I work for. So it's a life which prepares me. I don't. In fact, it's interesting how life prepares me, and that becomes life itself.
Post Lok Sabha polls, everybody has just spoken about Modi wave in the country, and that's why the BJP had the numbers. Do you agree that there is a wave in the country as far as Narendra Modi is concerned?
He's a very bright new hope. He's India's, if he and his team, nobody delivers alone. He and his supporters, because he has millions of workers behind him. Millions. He's a product of the hard work of millions of Karyakartas who've been dedicating their life for a better India, for a safer India, for a developing India. For years, they finally got that face. And his team cabinet, which he's chosen, if they remain honest to our trust, because we all voted for them, or those who voted for him, then India's destiny changes. But if there's any breach in that trust, then India will slip back very badly.
What is your prediction for the national capital after the Delhi Assembly polls on the 7th of February?
If India's destiny is changing, Delhi's destiny has to change. It must get credible, trustworthy, which lives up to the word and deed, honest to every vote it achieves, and even those who didn't vote. It doesn't matter. After elections, you belong to both. You belong to all. You rise above faith, caste, color, or creed. You are all. You are government and you have to govern. You have to administer and serve. I see Delhi's destiny also changing. Let me tell you, I see hope and aspiration in the eyes of millions of women. They think they will become one day the chief minister. They think, oh, woman, she could make it, so could we. It's a matter of opportunity. But she's there with us. And men see me as a fair person. Because I've never been unfair to men as well. I've never been unfair to any. I'm not there for unfairness. In my life, there's one thing which is that you can trust me. I was 2012 voted as the most trusted woman in India by the Reader's Digest. I don't know how they got it. I don't know. So I didn't put in even a single vote in it. So all I'm saying is my strength is trust. All I can say is the voter will will probably continue to renew the trust.
And BJP is what we are going to see in the state as well.
Well, certainly, you see it all over today. It's writ large. I think people must realize they should not waste their vote at all. Please don't waste your vote. Put in now for your future. It's your destiny. Just as I put in for Mr. Modi then, and we put in for Mr. Modi, don't waste your vote. Don't get misled by false promises by
Aam Aadmi Party.
by Peter paying Paul. Don't go in by, I pick your pocket, Peter, and then I pay Paul. Then I pick the pocket of Paul and I pay Peter. Don't play that game. Paul and Peter both need the money.
And are you hinting at the Aam Aadmi Party?
I don't hint at anybody. I'm talking about what I think Delhi will get if we are elected with a thumping majority.
यार इन सब की जिम्मेदारी बनती है, ये सब आगे चले हैं। चलिए आपका नंबर आ गया है। आज सुनिए,
सीएम बनने के बाद भी आपको इनके पास नहीं जाना पड़ेगा। ये आपके पास
आती रहेंगी हमारे पास। पहले क्राइम करना पड़ता था, तब मिलना पड़ता था।
ये बात नहीं है। सुधरे वाले भी आते थे। सुधरे वाले तो
Meeting party workers to gauge the challenges ahead, Kiran Bedi is a confident candidate with the support of Union Minister Dr. Harshvardhan Singh by her side.
कई सुधरे हुए काम कर रहे हैं, टीचर बने हुए हैं, काउंसलर बने हुए हैं, क्योंकि उनसे बेटर काउंसलर कौन है? 18 साल नशा मुक्त ड्रग एडिक्ट्स को दिल्ली में ट्रीट किया। आज पता है उनके में से जो अच्छे हो गए केंद्र खोलने उन्होंने, वही तो मिलने आते हैं।
किरण बेटी, मेरी एक मांग है, मेरी अनेक नेक शुभकामनाएं आपके साथ हैं। आप 100% मुख्यमंत्री बनेंगी, लेकिन शपथ लेने के बाद आशीर्वाद लेने मेरे पास
जरूर आऊंगी, कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी में आऊंगी। आप इस कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी के ग्रैंडफादर।
9 सीटों पे ध्यान दो, ये सीट हम जिता के दे देंगे।
सुबह मैं आपके पास आऊंगी, रोज सुबह आपके पास, रोज शाम दूसरी जगह।
नहीं ठीक है।
और अब मैं कल का प्रोग्राम आपको बता दूं। कल का प्रोग्राम ऐसे होगा, आज हमने
कल तो हमारे कार्यालय का उद्घाटन भी है।
देखिए ये आपकी कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंसी, ये अब मेरी पॉकेट में है, ये देखिए, ये जेब में है। मैं ये बताना चाहता हूँ, चांदनी जो है ये आपके साथ मिलके मैंने कहा था ना मिलके मिलेगी, इसी नक्शे को 4 हिस्से में कर लेगी। जिस की लीडरशिप है, मैंने लीडरशिप नाम लिख लिया, सबके चारों को आज लीडर मिले, एरिया घुमाया। अब कल सिर्फ एक लीडर के साथ काम होगा और उस लीडर के साथ उसके बाकी लोगों के साथ।
ठीक है।
सो अब हम कल फिर इसी टाइम मिलेंगे।
ठीक है।
सुबह आपको निकला है ना आपके पास, मैं घर से इसी प्रकार 7 बजे निकलूंगी।
ठीक है।
और आपके पास पहुंचूंगी, तब हम लोग बहुत कुछ।
ठीक है।
After almost 3.5 hours of recce throughout the Krishnanagar constituency, Dr. Kiran Bedi and Dr. Harshvardhan reached here to meet the grassroots level workers. Dr. Bedi, what exactly was the reason? What was your motive behind this recce that you took forward today early in the morning?
To understand the geography. You see, these are not strangers. I'm not a stranger to this. I am aware of these colonies. Many of the colonies existed earlier. I'm aware of the road network. But what was important was to see from Dr. Harshvardhan the areas, the kind of work he had done, what must be maintained, and now having seen this, having understood from him, what all did he do, which must be maintained. What are the areas which now need to be done further? What is the now minute details will start coming from tomorrow.
And in fact,
and the next 4 days, by the 5th day, I will be able to have gone exactly to the lane level, from main road to the street roads, to the by-lanes.
I mean, in fact, we were
And
seeing a
then
map
finally-
also that you have been taking around, dividing the entire constituency. In fact, very minute problems, also issues being discussed here, and which you are planning to ponder upon and work upon them.
Yeah, that's the methodology. Because you're covering every inch of it. Today we've driven on every inch. Tomorrow we'll combine. Tomorrow we'll drive and walk. Today we've driven. Tomorrow we drive and walk. And then one day we just walk. So I think that's the stage which I think, that's my sense, my sixth sense tells me. So, and then walk, the mind, tomorrow will be drive and walk with the grassroots of that mandal. Because this constituency is divided into 4 zones further. So tomorrow I'm going to work with one at a time. With his team. So that means 1 mandal at a time with his team would take me even to the by-lane tomorrow. That would be drive and walk. Then I'll have identified areas what Dr. Saab has done, and then I add my observation to it to evolve, to take it forward.
Dr. Saab, we have been seeing you standing right next to Dr. Bedi, helping her, supporting her, especially since the day she entered this constituency. A lot of work, as people have been saying, has already been done by you. A lot of work that even ma'am is now planning to do.
So you see, I feel that's a matter of pleasure and privilege for me that she is now going to represent the constituency which I in fact nurtured for over 20 years. And
It's like a handing over ceremony for you.
it's not a handing over ceremony. You see, it is people's constituency. Everything is people's, and ultimately it was with the people and it will remain with the people. We represent the people, and I'm happy that another educated person is going to represent the constituency, and she's very keen to understand the things, get into the nitty-gritty of things, understand the geography, understand the problems, understand what development has taken place, what are the projects in the offing, what are the projects in the developmental process, and what are the things which need to be achieved in future. So that's, I think, good for the people also. They are going to get a representative who is into everything right from the day one. And she's trying to establish a good quality rapport with the workers also, with our organizational leaders also, with the, you can say, various NGOs, others. She got herself introduced to many yesterday, day before yesterday also. So I'm pretty confident that we'll have a very good quality victory here in this constituency, and not only in this constituency, in fact all over Delhi. And I'm happy that this constituency is going to be looked after by a Chief Minister of Delhi.
Dr. Bedi, also the fact remains that the clock is ticking and real fast, and 7th February are the elections. A little too late that the entire responsibility has been given to you, that you get to know that this is the constituency. Do you think you have enough time in hand to actually prove the work that you have in mind?
Well, we'll make each day into 3 days. Each day into 3 days. Morning in my own constituency, afternoon and evening elsewhere. So it's 1 day into 3 days.
And 6th.
So 1 day into 3 days. So we've already multiplied into 3. That's what I think.
Any tough challenges as far as political challenges? There are a lot of political parties here.
Well, that's challenges to be met as it comes.
This former IPS officer does not miss the opportunity to make a short visit to a local police station.
पानी बिजली ठिका के यहाँ पर कंप्यूटर स्कूल है बच्चों औरतों की ट्रेनिंग के लिए जगह है बनाने के लिए
फिलहाल तो ऐसा कोई प्रपोजल नहीं है।
तो फिर अगर पानी बिजली की प्रॉब्लम आती तो किसको शिकायत करते हैं?
मैम
क्योंकि एमसीडी आपके साथ लिंक नहीं है।
नहीं, हम जो हैं दिल्ली जल बोर्ड को बताते हैं मैम पानी के लिए, तो बाकी ऐसी समस्या कोई फिलहाल आई नहीं है।
अच्छा, बहुत अच्छा, थैंक यू मिलके काम
A clear sign of the fervent administrator Kiran Bedi has been for decades.
Exactly, you have also reached the police station. In fact, we heard you talking about the electricity and water problems pertaining to this area. So clearly you are getting into the nuances of your constituency.
Because this is my home. This is my specific Karam Bhumi. While entire Delhi is Karam Bhumi, this is my constituency, which will get the best out of me too.
Do you think there's a lot of work that needs to be done here?
Plenty. All we'll have to do is one day at a time, as much as we can. For instance, this police colony. Main thing I asked was, do you have a computer training center here?
Okay.
So that women can, or young boys and girls could learn a computer training here, or a skills development. That's what we're talking about. They've got the space. All we'll have to do is bring in the police colony, through the Delhi police, a skills development center.
So basically trying to even get the Delhi police into action now to ensure that...
That's what the work is all about, working together.
The highlight of the day, a grand public meeting where Kiran Bedi addresses more than 1,500 party workers.
अगर हिंदुस्तान को पूरे तरीके से बदलना है तो किसको पहले बदलना होगा? किसको पहले बदलना होगा? और ये इतिहास अब हमारे हाथ में है. हमको इस पन्ने को लिखना है. दिल्ली को खबर बनना है, लेकिन गलत हेडलाइन के लिए नहीं, हर टाइम अच्छी से अच्छी हेडलाइन के लिए, अच्छे से अच्छा कार्य के लिए. और आपको बता दूंगी, हमारे सबके विचार में बहुत अच्छे विचार हैं, सामूहिक है, केवल मेरे नहीं है, ये पार्टी के हैं, ये पार्टी की सोच है. हम सब सोच के कार्यकर्ता से लेके ऊपर तक एक नई सोच रचाएंगे और दिल्ली का इतिहास बनाएंगे, जिसमें हेडलाइन ही अच्छी होगी, घटिया हेडलाइन नहीं हो सकती.
After roaming around the Krishnanagar constituency the entire day, Dr. Kiran Bedi has finally arrived here to address the booth level workers of the Bharatiya Janata Party. In fact, this is for the very first time that she is addressing such a big gathering of the Bharatiya Janata Party workers to put forth what exactly her mission and vision for the national capital is.
और दिल्ली की मुख्यमंत्री भी दिल की बात रेडियो पे करेगी 1 महीने में, तो बताओ, दिल्ली की बात प्रधानमंत्री जी करेंगे, मन की बात दिल्ली की चीफ मिनिस्टर करेगी, दिल की बात. हर महीने देखिए, हर व्यक्ति से दिल्ली में जोड़ा जाएगा, बहुत इतिहास रचा जाएगा. मैं आपको गारंटी करती हूं, हर महीने ये सुरक्षा कवच की मीटिंग चीफ मिनिस्टर के ऑफिस में होगी, पूरा मूल्यांकन होगा हर महीने में कि कहां महिलाओं के खिलाफ अपराध हुआ और गलती किसकी, ढूंढा जाएगा. गलती किसकी? माँ बाप की गलती, स्कूल की गलती, पुलिस की गलती, प्रशासन की गलती, कचहरी की गलती, या किसकी गलती? उसके अकॉर्डिंगली, उसके बारे में जब मैंने बोला था कि हर महीने एक बारी रेडियो टॉक होगी, जब रेडियो से बात होगी, लोगों को बताया जाएगा गलती किसकी, किस केस में गलती किसकी, ताकि हम सुधारें.
यही बूथ इंचार्ज और पन्ना प्रमुख इस बार भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार की नींव डालने जा रहे हैं.
Gearing up for a high-pitched electoral battle, BJP chief Amit Shah shares the stage with Kiran Bedi as he talks about his party's future prospects, endorsing the vision of Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
एक और मोदी जी का नेतृत्व है, एक और किरण जी की यशस्वी कारकिर्दी है और दूसरी ओर झूठ के पुलंदे के आधार पर मुख्यमंत्री बनने निकले केजरीवाल है। दोनों का कोई कंपैरिजन नहीं है। मोदी जी ने 7 महीने के अंदर इस देश में एक विश्वास खड़ा किया है, इस देश की जनता में विश्वास खड़ा किया है, अर्थतंत्र को पटरी पर लाने का भगीरथ प्रयास किया है और पूरी दुनिया ये मान रही है कि 21वीं शताब्दी भले से लेट मगर 21वीं शताब्दी हिंदुस्तान की शताब्दी बनने जा रही है। वो फिर से एक बार सिद्ध किया है। दिल्ली को जरूरत है केंद्र के साथ संवाद और सहयोग से आगे बढ़ने वाली सरकार का। दिल्ली को जरूरत है भ्रष्टाचार से मुक्त सरकार का। दिल्ली को जरूरत है लोगों के साथ सीधी बातचीत कर उनके दुख दर्द को समझने वाली सरकार का। और वो सरकार भारतीय जनता पार्टी ही किरण बेदी के नेतृत्व में दे सकती है। ये भरोसा दिल्ली वासियों को हो गया है। मित्रों, इस बार इस झूठे प्रचार का जवाब भारतीय जनता पार्टी का कोई नेता नहीं देगा। इस झूठे प्रचार का जवाब भारतीय जनता पार्टी के कोई प्रदेश के या देश के नेता नहीं देंगे। इस झूठे प्रचार का जवाब मेरा बूथ इंचार्ज और पन्ना प्रमुख घर घर जाकर देगा, तभी इस चुनाव को हम जीत कर आएंगे।
Adding to her appeal, BJP veterans laud Kiran Bedi's entry into the party, with some of them already addressing her as the Chief Minister of the national capital.
आने वाली दिल्ली की यदि कोई मुख्यमंत्री होगी तो वो किरण है। ये केवल किरण नहीं, पूरा के पूरा सूरज दिल्ली में उतर आया है। कांग्रेस पार्टी शराब के ठेके खोले हैं 15 सालों में, आम आदमी पार्टी ने मुंह खोला है और भारतीय जनता पार्टी स्कूल और यूनिवर्सिटीज खोल रही है। ये हमारे संस्कार है।
जिस समय किरण जी का नाम आया उस समय सबसे पहले विजय गोयल ने इस बात के लिए उनका स्वागत किया कि एक किरण बेदी जो एक ऑनेस्ट इमेज के बारे में जाना जाती हैं, वो किरण बेदी जो एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव एक्सपीरियंस के नाम से जाना चाहते हैं, वो किरण बेदी जो काम करने के नाम से जानी जाती है, वो किरण बेदी जो नियमों का पालन करने जानती है, और वो किरण बेदी जो अरविंद केजरीवाल को मारना जानती है। आज हम उन सबका स्वागत करते हैं।
श्री शांति भूषण जी ने जिस प्रकार से आज अपनी एक टिप्पणी दी है और उस टिप्पणी में उन्होंने कहा है, उसका कारण है टिप्पणी देने का। उन्होंने कार्य की विधा देखी है, उन्होंने दोनों के कार्य का कंपैरिजन किया है। एक तरफ अपनी नौकरी से भागने वाले, एक तरफ अपनी सभी मुख्यमंत्री से भागने वाले, एक तरफ एक अराजकता फैलाने वाले, और दूसरी तरफ श्रीमती किरण बेदी जी को दिल्ली की बागडोर संभालने के लिए और कोई नहीं, आम आदमी के संस्थापक सदस्य शांति भूषण जी ने जो एक नई बधाई उनको दी है कि दिल्ली के मुख्यमंत्री बेहतर श्रीमती किरण बेदी ही हो सकती हैं।
After 12 hours on the trot, we meet Kiran Bedi at her residence as she takes us around her library, a place she worships as her haven of knowledge.